So to access your saved playlists on either Android or iPhone, go to YouTube app and on the bottom right corner, find your profile photo with the U underneath it. Tap on it to open it and then scroll down a bit, and here you could see a section called Playlists. Select View All. Unfortunately, YouTube mixes your saved playlists with the playlists that are created by you. The playlists that are created by other channels and that you have saved got the name of the other channel underneath the name of the playlist. For example, Eurovision 2024 playlist is a playlist created by the channel Eurovision Song Contest, and the playlists that are created by you have got either public or private underneath the title of their playlist. And if you would tap on the A-Z, you could arrange the playlists according to the following other options. For example, I select recently added. I hope now you all have managed to find your saved playlists on your phone, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel.